So I'm here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Now, when you find yourself cruising down State Street, and when you see a fried chicken place, you slow down a little bit, and then you look closer at the sign and you say, wait a second, does that say curry in front of it? I gotta check it out. This is curry fried chicken.
Fried chicken is coming up.
It's like East meets West in Salt Lake City.
It's a flavor bomb.
We got 2 more minutes on the curry kebabs.
Amazing, like they use traditional spices.
Like the Pakistani flavors Sonny Nassar learned to cook with at his parents' popular joint down the street.
Perfect, look at that.
Now he and his wife, Iram,
How's your meal?
are adding to his family's local reputation.
My mom and dad opening up Curry in a Hurry back in '98. That's the first halal restaurant in Utah. We had people coming in that never even
Had curry in their life.
Never.
But what you're doing is taking traditional fried chicken that everybody knows and understands, but putting the curry spin to it.
This combination is mind-blowing.
Yeah, I find myself just like craving it sometimes.
It's just like a really powerful blend of spices.
What are we starting with, my brother?
So we're making our house garam masala.
So toasting the spices.
Yeah, start with the coriander, whole black pepper, mustard seeds,
Clove,
cumin,
a bunch of cinnamon, and bay leaf.
bay leaf.
Well, you really are putting a toast on
Yeah,
that, dude.
there it is.
We'll
Hey.
be back next week.
It works.
Real deal.
Garam masala, black pepper. This is an Indian chili powder. It's spicy, actually. Salt, hot curry powder. That goes in the batter, in the brine, as well as on top of the chicken.
So now we make the brine,
Water, vinegar,
lemon juice,
black pepper,
salt,
curry powder, house garam masala that we just
Right.
made, ginger.
ginger, garlic.
Add our cut chicken to the brine for 24 hours.
Next up,
We add our house spice to it. Chicken breading,
how long does that take to fry?
about 15 minutes. So now we're making our lentil curry. Add the water, the yellow lentils, green lentils, salt, garam masala,
Hot curry powder?
crushed chili peppers.
Pakistani food's that hot?
It is. The Indian chili powder again. Let's let that cook about 2 hours or so. And then oil, the onions, cumin. So that's gonna be the sizzle that's gonna go on top of the lentils,
Let's plate it.
our lentils, and our mixed veggie curry.
Right on top of the rice.
That's it. Our house ranch, chili sambal for more spice.
on my salad.
House pita, and our curry fried chicken. You season it off with that house spice. You know that line chicken
Winner, winner.
chicken dinner.
There
That's
we
it.
go. If all you sold was spicy lentils, I would show up.
That's it.
The lentils are really gangster.
For the fried chicken,
That's good crisp on that.
I like to get the pita bread, put everything in it, and just make like a little bite of it. It's good stuff.
To get all that curry spice, then you get the moisture and the fat of the chicken. Wow, that's a lot of flavor. Bro, real deal.
Thank you.
2 curry fried chicken plates.
This chicken is unique.
It wrecks fried chicken. There's so much flavor in it.
Wrecks it.
It's very crunchy, very juicy.